In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Zotero citations into Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop accurate, formatted citations into your document without breaking your writing flow. First, open Microsoft Word and the document where you want to cite your sources. Place your cursor exactly where you want the citation to appear. That little detail matters because Zotero will insert the reference right at that spot. Next, look along the top ribbon for the Zotero tab. Click it to reveal the Zotero tools. If you don't see the tab, it usually means the Word plugin isn't active on this computer. You can keep watching to learn the flow, then check your Zotero settings later to make sure the Word integration is enabled. Now click Add Edit Citation. This opens Zotero's citation picker. The first time you use it in a document, Word will ask you to pick a citation style. This is where you choose the format your instructor, publisher, or team requires, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. Don't stress if you're unsure. You can change the style later for the entire document, but it's best to start with the correct one. After selecting the style, click OK to confirm. Word and Zotero now know how to format your in-text citations for this document, so future inserts will follow the rules you just chose. With the citation picker open, you can search for your source. Start typing an author's last name, a title keyword, or even a year. Zotero will pull matching items from your library. Click the correct source to select it. If you need to refine the citation, many styles allow you to add details like a page number or a specific locator right in this window before you confirm. Taking a moment here ensures you meet style requirements without extra editing later. If you prefer browsing instead of searching, you can switch to your library view in the picker, navigate through your collections, and choose the exact item you want. This is handy when you remember where something lives but not its exact title. Once you've highlighted the correct source and filled in any optional details, click Accept. Zotero will insert the formatted citation at your cursor in Word. That's it. The citation is now part of your document, correctly styled and linked to your Zotero library for easy updates. As you continue writing, you can repeat the same process anywhere you need another citation. If your style requirements change later, you can revisit your document preferences in the Zotero tab and update the style without redoing each citation.